Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can transfer stacks from Robinhood to Webull. So, the first thing that you will have to do is open your Webull account and make sure that you've already logged into your account. And then next, what you will do is you will basically look for the transfer feature on your website or your app. And then after that, you will just have to click transfer accounts, and then you will either click transfer in or ACAT transfer. And then after that, you will just have to enter your Robinhood account details such as the name, account number, and type. And you will select the stacks or assets that you want to transfer. Then you will confirm the transfer and submit and wait for Webbolt to process the transfer. And it would usually take about 3 to 5 business days. And by the way, you could also follow this. So for if you're using app, you will just have to follow this. And for the light version, you will follow this one. And for the desktop, you will basically just have to follow this as well. And for the select for the web, you will just have to follow this. So yeah, these are basically the ways that you could start your transfer and transfer your assets into your account. And yeah, that's basically just it. And make sure to go to their official webbull.com help, so that you will be able to actually do all this. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.